Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Alright, so this video, I'm going to show you guys how to pull up Volvo diagnostic trouble codes. First thing you want to do is you want to start the engine. Second thing is you want to hold down the read button. Then you want to press the fog light button twice. And then press the read button to cycle through the codes. And that's how you pull up Volvo diagnostic trouble codes. All right, guys, hope this has helped you guys out. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, all that good stuff. All right, guys, take care.